So it's
Yeah.
been a few years now. What
Yeah.
was there any like your expectations early that have changed for the good or the bad since?
Um, yeah, I don't know. I mean, there's, you know, I'm knocking on wood right now as I say this. We haven't had any like real damage to the property, but there have been things like somebody jumped on the sofa and literally broke the sofa, and we needed to get a new sofa in there, and it was like, $2,500. It was not cheap, you know,
Well, how
and then pay the guy to,
how does that work,
yeah.
Kristen? Like, with is it if does Airbnb is there like insurance? Like, how?
There is insurance. I don't know why that it wasn't on this particular thing for the sofa. We have had insurance cover other things. But yeah, I mean, sometimes it's that kind of stuff. And it's just like, I mean, there's certainly a cost to just the daily stuff that you have to keep replenishing, like whether it's like, towels that you can't use forever. You have to replenish and get new towels, and you have to get like all the paper goods, toilet paper and paper towels and all of that kind of stuff. Sometimes, stuff just wears. Sometimes you just like, we need to get new, I don't know, serving dishes because they're all scratched up or whatever it is. Like there's certain things that have a shelf life that eventually you have to keep getting more of. Coffee pods. I have spent so much money on freaking coffee pods for this damn coffee
Pods.
maker. But the little
Right, right,
pods,
right.
yeah, they're not the Keurig things, but they're like the little Nespresso pods that are very expensive because I was told you have to have like a fancy coffee machine. So I did that.
Well, hold on.
Like my yeah.
You want to finish your thought? I got a question. I'm going to follow up on that.
No, I was just going to say my property manager's always suggesting things like you should put in a hot tub. Like things that are very expensive that I'm like,
I
no,
thought you were going to say call another coffee machine. You know what I mean? You go hot tub.
no,
So
no.
when you're first starting out, does Airbnb give you like a checklist of like, because there's a lot of things I wouldn't have thought of. So is there like a checklist?
No.
There's nothing. They just say
I mean, I think on their website they do have resources and things like that. But
you got to
one of the
dig
reasons
for
I
them.
went
Like
with
you got
this,
to look for them. They're not going to like send you. Okay.
yeah, and I went with this property manager because they give you that. Like they give you that. They'll do like a welcome guide, even though, of course, I made my
Of
own, which
course.
is better than
God
theirs.
forbid somebody else does that.
So God forbid somebody else designs something that
Mm-hmm.
I don't have a hand in. I'm so anal. But anyway, yeah, I did my own welcome guide, but they do one too. And obviously, if there's an emergency or anything, you call their people. You don't call us. So like they're handling that kind of stuff, which is really good. The girl that does the cleaning, she's amazing. I don't even know how she does it. We've popped in like in between visits just to check on things. The way she makes the beds and these bunk beds that I cannot get my arthritic hands even under the mattress to make these beds. They are perfect
Yeah.
with their hospital corners and
They
everything.
were
She's so
they
good.
were like military